Students, this is Arya. Welcome back to Arshida's Edu World. Today we are going to discuss about the determinants of class plus 2, SCRT and NCRT syllabus. Let us start. Yes. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about the matrices, right? And you all know about the matrices. In this chapter, we are going to learn how we'll find out the solution, uniqueness of a solution of a matrix, right? The system of linear equations like a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1, a2 x plus b2 y is equal to c2, a1 b1 a2 b2 x y c1 c2. This equation can be written in the matrix form, right? Is this system of equations having unique solution or not? In order to find out or determine the value, the solution for the unique solution, in order to find the unique solution for this linear equation, we are finding out, we are discussing about determinants, the determinant of A or determinant, the matrix. Here, the system of linear equations are expressed in the form of matrices. And next doubt is this matrix having a unique solution or not? In order to determine the solution for this matrix or linear equation, we are preferring determinants. In order to find the value for the unique solution for the matrices, it is called determinant of the matrix, right? Let us see the determinant of the matrix. To find the unique solution for this matrix, that is the determinant of A. How we can find the determinant of A can be written as, okay, the determinant of A. Determinant of A can be kind of using matrix and A1, B1, A2, B2. This matrix can be, we can find out the unique solution for this matrix by using determinant. Here determinant equal to A1, B1, A2, B2. See, the determinant of A should not write matrix. Here, see friends, only one parallel line over. Okay. Next, how we can find out the determinant of A? See, A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. How? A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. See, the determinant of A will be written as A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. Okay, clear? From this, we can find out the unique solution for the matrix A. Okay. This matrix B A will be that matrix only. Okay, that is the solution. If we are going to write the determinant of matrix having the order 2 by 2, then the value will be A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the matrix. Here we are going to find out the determinant of this matrix. Okay. We can write this determinant of A like this, or we can write the determinant of A like this, or delta. Okay, the determinant of A can be represented as determinant of A like this, or determinant of A or delta. This is not read as modulus of A. This is a determinant of A. Okay. How can we find out the determinant of A. First of all, just rewrite the matrix as here in the determinant form. Okay, A21, A22. Okay, just multiply here minus, just multiply this one. A11, A22 minus A21, A12. We can learn the remaining portion of this chapter on next session. If you are having any doubt till this portion, please comment me. Please subscribe my channel and share it and like my video. Thank you. Bye.